We'll use this video to show you some more detail when applying a filter to the data. The different tables that we have within the database sometimes contain different periods or symbols that are listed on both the Canadian and American exchanges. It could be a cross-listed symbol such as Royal Bank, or it could be a symbol that shows up such as 3M, which is MMM, showing up on the New York Stock Exchange, which also shows up as Minco Gold on the Toronto Stock Exchange. So to extract the data correctly, we'll walk through an example here using the alpha-beta table. I'll select all of the fields by simply holding down the Shift key and hitting the down arrow. And I will select symbol from the filter option equal to MMM. So intuitively we think we were extracting 3M on the New York Stock Exchange. Generate that query. You can see the as of date here. As of date is an important date field in most of the tables because it's a reference date for the data. Here we see oldest first, so I'm going to actually click on as of date to sort descending, have most recent first. Now you can see that we have both MMM on the TSE as well as MMM on the New York Stock Exchange, and we have three different periods, 36, 60, and 120 months. So if it was 3M on New York for 60 months that we were actually looking for, we can simply go back to the Query tab and we can add exchange ID equal to NYS to give us the New York Stock Exchange. And if we were looking for just a 60-month period, condition equal to 60M. So now we're extracting 3M on New York for a 60-month period. Generate that query. Again, we can sort by as of date. So now we see New York, 60-month, MMM, all through the data that we've selected. There are 7 tables to be aware of where there is period information. Alpha, beta, all 3 of the ratio tables, so earning ratios, operation ratios, and valuation ratios. Consensus estimates, and the 2 historical, the historical returns and the trailing returns files, all have period data. So just something to be aware of if you're using the filter option to ensure that you're getting the data that you're looking for.